Guys, it's Adolf Solomons, and today I'm back with another video that shows you how to make some money from your phone. It's going to be a quick one, and today's platform, it is called Jumia over here. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is. So once you're on the platform here, you start off. If it is that you're using my link that I'll leave for you in the description, you'll basically get a 300 rand startup. Okay, so let me show you. So this is what the platform looks like. You click receive task. Okay, now you wait for the system to basically, as you can see, the order is accepted. Now I say this is basically what you're going to be doing. It will pop up like this, the task. Then you'll say order submit. Let's wait for it there. Give it a second to load. Okay, they submitted successfully. As you can see, the total order amount was 208 rand. The commission was 73 cents. But this is something that you can do over and over. For the first level, you do get 12 orders a day. So this is basically the new account that I just thought I'd show you guys how it can be done easily, right? I will leave my link in the description for you so that you can get started, and if you use that link, it will basically get you a 300 rand startup basically. So let me show you my other account just quickly. This one, yeah, this is the other account where it's on 17k, as you can see there. So if you would like to make some commissions like this on a regular basis, or as you can see, they're monthly, click on the link below and get started. Thank you very much, guys. You have a wonderful day.